Hi, I'm Brenda, a leading designer with Chalk Couture. It's basically DIY crafting. This is our brand new catalog that came out July 1st. It's awesome, but I'm only gonna show you just a teeny little bit. Okay, we're gonna go straight back to the back of the book. Okay, so back in the back of the book are all these surfaces, okay? Now, we're pretty much known for our great chalkboards that are magnetic, which is still the Aiden, available in 3 sizes. But if you didn't want magnetic and you wanted something maybe just a little more affordable, then go for the Graysons, okay? And then we have our regular boards. Some are magnetic, some aren't. One of our favorite new ones is the boxed frame. This is a 5x7. I made this during our convention time. Have courage and be kind. Of course. But what I'm going to talk about today, specifically, is all the canvas. Last spring they came out with the canvas pillows. There's 2 to a package, and this is a 16-inch. And then the lumbar pillow. That's where it started last spring, and we started with sticky mats. Now, why would you need a sticky mat? Well, I'm here to tell you. Once you would unzip this handy brand new clutch, which is only $7.99, very affordable. But if you put ink on it, the ink is gonna seep through to the other side. And you don't want that. You wanna do projects on both sides. So, you will put the mat, whichever size fits best, unzip this, put the mat inside, and it's sticky. So you'll make the canvas stick to the backing, and it's fine with the inks. And you put your transfer on, which has a sticky back as well. Put it on, do your design with your paste or your ink. So, I woke up like this. This is a brand new transfer, perfectly sized for the smaller boards or the canvas. This is the new clutch. And it depends on whether you want ink, which will be permanent once it's heat set, or paste. Now, paste washes off with water only. And I'm not kidding, that works, okay? But what I wanted to tell you was how the mat works with this, okay? For a project like this, you would unzip and open up the clutch. You're gonna put, I think this longer mat would probably fit best. You put it inside because you don't want these beautiful inks to mess up the other side of your project. So you'll put that on, press it down so it adheres to the mat. Then you're gonna take your transfer and put it on however you would like it to. And then you might choose from one of our brand new ink colors. This one's papaya and curry. How about that? And this one is Tide. Ooh, it's a really pretty blue. So you put your ink on the transfer, put the extra, back in the jar because you don't want to waste any. And then you're gonna let it dry for a little while. You can also take a blow dryer and wave over it, and that'll help dry it. I would wait till maybe the next day, just to make sure it's all really good and dry. Then put something over this. Take the mat out. We don't want to melt the mat. Take the mat out, take your iron. You can put something in between, which is a good idea. You don't want inks to come off on your iron. Press it about 30 seconds or so. You're good to go. So then you have heat set your project. It's permanent, good to go. And you can do the other side if you want to as well. Just not at the same time. That's not a good idea. The original canvas pieces were the 16-inch pillowcase, and there's 2 pillowcases in here. And those are $18.99. And then this is the lumbar pillow. There's only 1 case in this one. It is $14.99. Now, if you want a little bit better look at everything in this fabulous catalog, go to my website, which is Indie Brenda Designs with an S www.chalkcouture.com. A link to my website will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and come back and see me again.